Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Portugal Premiership. Orlando Pirates 5, Colorado 0. I'm joined by Chris Natujula.
Stibo, even today I would like to congratulate my Orlando Pirates for winning 5-0. Yeah. Today, Bangoni Seluti, they know football.
Yes.
Stibo, last thing Kulmilo Mfuking.
Yeah.
But today, it's Mfuking, well done.
Yeah.
Mfuking is tough. Stibo, and he's on the Pirates.
Yeah.
Good thing, Funbate Buffett, Niaitani Polalab.
Yes.
Koto, and things are ish.
Yeah.
I'm Fun Batatili before me. And if Fun is Tibo, Zola, Angifuni, and again, was right out. Ilik, Nona Yambi,
Stibo, congratulations to Mapagani. Badlali Polilisha. Namhlanje ngiyavuma futhi. Anginamona lalela mfowethu. Anginamona lihle ibhola kodwa into engikhalelayo ama-fans ePhakaniya futhi. Yini futhi? Kumbuthuma. Yeah. Angazi bambhuwa lo mfana lo. Sasemncane la mfana lo yana is still training. Yeah. Usafunda. Ngiyakubamba. Buka ubhentshisa umfana ubhuti omdala uMakhoba. Bad. Bamqalisa ku first line up. Yes. Yena lethi uMakhoba lo bamthathe bamisa ku squad. So ke into ngicela kuMabhakani yabeka kumlento kumbhuwa umfana omncane la. Akazama usatrainer la mfana ne. Lakhona into engibongayo bafethu. Hayi, ngibule mfukenge mfana kithi. Boy. Yeah. What a nice goal.
I will dance with that boy bafethu.
Ayilihle mfana. Buka.
Ayamnika ngithi.
Stibo, when we talk about speed, ball transition, changing system, controlling the ball, accuracy on shooting, I give it to Pirates team. Honestly speaking, la majita badlala ibhola yabona ukuthi iMzansi bayayiphakamisa when it comes to iMzansi soccer. Bayadlala ibhola labo and bayabonakala ukuthi bafunani Stibo. I-team kumele iba ne-vision and that's what I'm seeing from iPhakaniya. Ngifuna ukuthi well done mabhakabhaka sayibona i-vision but Stibo into engijabulisayo ukuthi noma bangakora 20 as long as iSundowns is winning akukho la bayakhona. Ngivala kanjalo akukho la bayakhona. Akukho.